video of statistics, we have discussed what is the dispersion is over there and how many methods of the dispersion is over there. We have discussed that there are 4 methods of the to measuring the dispersion is over there. The first one is range method, second one is the quartile deviation method, third one may be the mean deviation method, and the final method is the standard deviation method. In today's video, we will learn how to calculate the range method is over there for the dispersion. So calculating the range is very easy. It's a very easy method to calculate the dispersion is over there. To calculate the range, we will having L minus S. L stand for largest, S stand for smallest. So it is very easy to calculate the range method is over there. We have to take the maximum value of the series and minimum value of the series. The range is the difference between the maximum and minimum. Second, this is the absolute measurement of the dispersion. Second one, coefficient of range, that is largest minus smallest upon largest plus smallest. The first one having the unit is over there, but the second one will not having the unit of this, because the unit will be cancelled from both sides. So unit to unit will be cancelled. So the relative measurement of the range will be the unit free measurement. So it's a very easy to calculate the range is over there. The very first we have to see what is the largest value and what is the smallest value. From this we can easily calculate the range is over there. So let me discuss the two or three questions of the range method is over there. It's not so important method is over there, because from this chapter we are getting the questions in examinations from the standard deviation or mean deviation, sometimes the quartile deviation also having, but very few chance for having the questions from the range method, because the range method is so easy. So the examiner are not giving the question in the exam over there, but for having the complete knowledge of the dispersion, we should know how to calculate the range is over there. So that's what we are discussing, the range method here. I am having a questions of the range method is over there. The very first, suppose we are having range method, we are having the marks is given in the statistics and economics. Marks in state, marks in statistics is given and marks in economics is given. We are having a question. The marks is given in the statistics, that is 20, 35, 25. 20, 35, 25. Then 30, 16, 40. Then 30, then 16, then 40. 18, 28, 10, 25. 18, 28, 10 and 25. The marks in statistics for the 10 student is given, that is 20, 35, 25, 30, then 16, then 40, then 18, then 28, then 10 and then 25. And marks in economics is also given, that is 31, 39, 31, 39, 23, 42, then 20, 45, 15, 20, 45 and 15, 25, 19, 24. Okay, we have given the two sequences over there. We are to calculate the very first, the range method is over there in both of this, and which have the more dispersion is over there. So for the 10 student, 1 student, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th. For statistics, in statistics, the largest marks scored by the student is 35. So the largest is 35. And the smallest marks is scored is 10. Smallest is 10. Here we will see where is the highest number, that is 40, not 35. So this is the highest marks and this is the lowest marks. So highest is largest. So the range is largest minus smallest. So the range is 40 minus 30. So the range is 30. Coefficient of range formula is largest minus smallest upon largest plus smallest. Here the 40 minus 10. 40 minus 10 divided by 40 plus 10, that is 30 divided by 50, that is 0.6. Though the first in marks of the statistics, the dispersion is the range is 30 and the dispersion coefficient of range is 0.6. In marks in economics, we are having the calculation in economics also. So the largest marks in economics is 45. That is the largest. The smallest marks in economics is 15. So the largest is 45, the smallest is 15. So the range is equal to largest minus smallest. So the range is equal to 45 minus 15, that is equal to 30. Here also 30, here also 30. So we are saying that if we have to the comparison between the two series, we have to calculate the coefficient of range, not the range is over there, because here the range is equal. But which is better and which have the more discrepancy, which have the more dispersion is over there. So for calculating for the coefficient of range, coefficient of range, that is largest minus smallest upon largest plus smallest. So we are having 45 minus 15 upon 45 plus 15, that is 30 divided by 60. So here 0.5 is over there. So we will say the range is equal in both of the series, in economics also and in statistics also. The range is difference of the range is equal. But as far as the dispersion is concerned, in statistics the dispersion value is higher than the dispersion value in economics. Okay, so that's why I was saying that in range method it's very easy to calculate. The very first we have to take the largest value and we have to take the smallest value. Then to calculate the range, we are having the largest minus smallest. Second one, what we have to do, we have to calculate the coefficient of range to having the comparison between both of the series. So the coefficient of the range is relative measure of the dispersion, which is unit free measurement is over there, but this is having the unit. Okay, so this was a case of individual series is over there. We are having the some difference question for the calculating the range. If the continuous series is given, then how we can calculate the range value? We are having the discussion. Another one questions of the range method is over there. We are having the class interval x 1 to 5, 6 to 10, 11 to 15, 16 to 20, 21 to 25. And 26 to 30. The frequency is given 2, 8, 15, 35. 2, 8, 15, 35. 20 and 10. So it's a case of continuous series over there, and we have to calculate the value of range here. What we have to do? We have to calculate the range. So here the x are inclusive series. So the very first we have to change this series into the exclusive. So we will deduct 0.5 from the lower limit and will add to the upper limit. So this limit will be 0.5 to 5.5, then 5.5 to 10.5, then 10.5 to 15.5, then 15.5 to 20.5, then 20.5 to 25.5, and finally 25.5 to 30.5. Okay, what we have done? the difference is 1, difference 5 to 6, difference is 1, 10 to 11, difference is 1, so minus and plus difference by 2. This is the formula to change a inclusive series to into the exclusive series. So the very first difference is minus and plus 1 by 2, that is minus and plus 0.5. So we have to subtract from from the lower limit we will decrease 0.5, in upper limit we will 8.5 is over there. So the smallest item is 0.5 and the largest item is 30.5 here. This is the smallest value and this is the largest value. To calculate the range, largest minus smallest is over there. So the value of range will be 30.5 minus 0.5, that is 30. Okay. Coefficient of range, that is largest minus, okay, largest minus smallest upon largest plus smallest, that is 30.5 minus 0.5 divided by 30.5 plus 0.5, that is 30 divided by 31. So we have to calculate 30 divided by 31, that is 0.97. So the value of dispersion will be 0.97. So with this video, it's very easy to calculate the range method is over there. If you will get any questions from the range method, it's very easy to calculate. Whatever we have discussed on this blackboard, it's very simple to calculate the range. So I think this video will be helpful to learn you how to calculate the range method is over there. Thank you.